Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel. I have put together a new DESTASH mystery pack, and this one here has pockets, envelopes and more, and it's listed in my Etsy store. And I'm going to show you what's inside the pack of goodies, or just one of them, just to give you an idea of what you may receive. Now each pack is different. It's just a surprise pack full of lots of fun stuff in here that I'm just clearing up that I have, and some of these are prototypes of my samples or that I have shown in my tutorials, or just some that I've just made and I've just put them to the side, and I thought I'll just destash them and put them in a mystery pack for you and have it listed if you would like to purchase one of these fun little packs. And so it comes in an envelope that I've made, and I will do a tutorial to give you the measurements for the envelope, because I did show you another project where I added a envelope the same size, and it was the large size document folio folder. So I will be back to give you the measurements if you wanted to make this large size envelope. And in each of these packs, it also comes with a coordinating a little pocket that I've made. It comes with a little front little pocket here and another pocket at the back. And I have a tutorial if you want to see how I put this one together in my video, where I think it's a pocket ideas for inspiration with all different kind of pockets that you could make. I'll put the link down below for this video where you can make one of these. And then there is also another piece of coordinating paper. It's a 4x6 size that you could use for whatever project you may like. In this video where I made this project, there is another project idea that you could use with a 4x6 paper. So you can also follow that video if you want to use this paper to make that project, to make another kind of pocket style. So it comes with a coordinating pocket and an extra 4x6 paper. And then I've wrapped it with some crochet string and added a couple of extra pieces here that I've just put together that you could use in your projects, or you could embellish it. There's a little heart, a 1.5 inch circle shape, and this is double-sided as well. And then I've just made a little tag that you could re-gift or use it to add to one of your other projects as well. And I'll just show you what's inside this one, and then I'll just put it back together off camera. So this is the envelope size, and there is some fun goodies in here. I think there's like 12 pieces. So this one here has a cute little pocket, a coin envelope. Oh, this one actually coordinates with the envelope, so that's good. This is a file folder, which I still need to glue it, but I'll leave this for you. If you purchase it and you receive this one, all you need to do is glue these down, and then you've got yourself a pocket. Or you could just cut it up and then use this for another project, and you can make tags out of this. You could use your punches and punch out the patterns. You can maybe fussy cut it. You could even use this as a folder, and then you can just cut these off. Or you can add another piece of paper to this one and glue it on the inside and glue it down here to create a little pocket. And then you've got yourself a file tab, a pocket. So I'll leave this one as is. So that comes with that. It has another envelope, a pocket, library style pocket, another envelope. This is for 3x4 size, and I used the envelope punch board to make this one. And what do we have here? Oh, this is a double pocket mini file folder, and this one is, oh, this is a pocket. So it's a pocket there, and there is a pocket. So you may just have to have a look around and see what it is. So, oh, okay, so this has a pocket at the top, and it has a one pocket, I think. How did I make this one? So that pocket's there. So I've forgotten how I made this one. So I think it goes this way, or you can go that way. You've got a pocket up there and then a side pocket here. It's a double pocket, another envelope, 3x4 envelope, another library pocket, a file tab folder. You could also glue this one down to these two sides and you've got yourself a pocket, or leave it like that. And this is another pocket that I made with the envelope punch board. So that's a nice large size pocket. So this one comes with all of these fun pockets and envelopes. And some file tab folders. And these all do sell out really quick, so hopefully if you decide to purchase one, you can get in there and purchase one and not miss out. And for every for all orders in my Etsy store, for every order you will also receive a free thank you gift for purchasing from my store and for supporting my shop. So this is another one. I still have to make the pocket and add the extra piece to go in each of these envelopes, but I'll just show you this one as well. I'll just show you one more just so you can see what you get in this one. So you can see there's quite a few in here. This one has a little coin envelope and a little mini double pocket folder. Some more pockets, another pocket, and these ones you can, you can take it apart and then reuse it for whatever you like, and you can cut out the papers if you don't want to use it as the way I've got it. And this is a 3x4 size envelope. This is just like a packaging bag. This is a 4-pocket folder. You get 2 pockets up here and 2 pockets at the bottom. Double folio pocket folder. This one has a vellum pocket that I've used some Velcro as a closure. Another double pocket folder. And this must have been a project I made a while back. It's okay, so there is a little closure, and that's the pocket. It's like an expandable pocket with another pocket here at the front. It closes up. So this is a fun little pocket too. So these are some of the fun stuff that's in this one. So if you'd like to purchase one of my new DESTASH mystery packs, it's listed in my Etsy store now for you. And I think I've got 20 of these available. So you will receive a random pack. And then I've got 2 more here, and I've got some more packaged ready. I've just got to add the extra pieces to these ones. So I just want to share with you my new DESTASH mystery packs in this video, listed in my Etsy store now. Hopefully you'll get a chance to grab one of these, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.